What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. I got a bunch more storage. I have 23.63 gigabytes because I found a secret way. Well, not really a secret way. I deleted all my photos and did something else that was kind of hard to explain. But I'm gonna go to a Mother's Day party, and I'm gonna video for that. Okay. I was playing outside or something. It breaks a lot. This does, but I can fix it. Oh! How's it not? I accidentally did. This is Air Buddy. It's like it has soccer on it. It's kind of hard to explain what happens. So yeah. So stay tuned. Well, not stay tuned, but watch the video of the Mother's Day party. And this is a $5,000 fidget spinner. I'm just kidding. It was like a $5 one. I know, it's like $2 actually, but it's really good. But it had this crack in it right here. Yeah, I took it out of the box, and then one time I dropped it and I got that one. But so this title is going to be Fidget Spinner.
What's that, right? Well done, Joe.
Tomorrow's my last day of school. Can't believe it. I'm getting ready to cry. Remember, dab on them haters. Like Jake Paul says, dab on them haters. I'm just gonna sit here for 5 hours and wait till the party starts. Okay, it starts at 4:30, but just kidding. This will be the end of the video. See you guys. Peace out.